The circular saw is an electric saw for cutting wood. It is prevalent in the garage and workshop because of its effectiveness and convenience in use for a variety of tasks. You can also use a circular saw for cutting other materials, but you need to change the blade. There are many products available to choose the best circular saw for you, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best circular saw for you from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Best overall. Makita 5007 megagrams Magnesium 7-1/4 inch circular saw. The first product in our list of the best circular saws is Makita 5007 megagrams Magnesium 7-1/4 inch circular saw. This item is also the best circular saw overall. Motor, blade, ease of use, and more. This item is a very lightweight saw thanks to the magnesium components. Also, it is a super strong circular saw with a 15.0 amp motor that can deliver 5,800 RPM. The highest RPM on our list. And last, this saw comes with LED lights that can help to illuminate your line of sight so that you can create an accurate cut. The cutting capacity of this machine is large, and the bevel capacity is fantastic, so you can make the best bevel cut. This saw is a great circular saw which will impress you by its balance, ergonomics, and cutting ease. Number 2. Best for home use. BLACK+DECKER 20 volts M.A.X. 5-1/2 inch cordless circular saw. Reading our circular saw reviews will help you to make the best choice in regards to which one to buy for your personal needs. And the best circular saw for home use is BLACK+DECKER cordless circular saw. This saw comes with a high torque motor of 5-1/2 inch for a more powerful cut. It also has a fast cutting blade so you can create a variety of cuts with no difficulty. And last, this saw comes with a compact design that is simple to use and store. Since it is a cordless circular saw, it is very convenient to use. The battery life is quite long, and the battery is included in the set, too. This circular saw is very easy to handle and use. Number 3. Best for plywood. SKILSAW SPT 77W0115 amp 7-1/4 inch aluminum worm drive circular saw. The best circular saw for plywood is the SKILSAW SPT 77W01 amp circular saw. Firstly, we have to say that this item is pricey, but it is worth it to pay for this saw. It comes with a thick aluminum shoe, so it is lighter and easier to adjust. Also, the design of the saw allows you to create a precision cut. It is because of these 3 features. Firstly, it is easy to adjust the blade depth. Secondly, it has the ideal torque for you to hold a straight line. SKILSAW SPT 77W01 is a tool that is very simple to use so that you can just focus on the cut to make sure you get the best outcome. Number 4. Best for framing. DEWALT 20 volts M.A.X. 7-1/4 inch circular saw with brake. The next item in my list of the best circular saw is the DEWALT circular saw. This item is the best choice for a heavy-duty task like framing. And it is more suitable for professional users than beginners because it is not very simple to operate. This circular saw has a brushless motor that can provide 5,200 RPM. The robust engine can maintain speed under heavy load. The bevel capacity of the saw is up to 57 degrees, and the cutting capacity is 2-9/16 inch depth. This circular saw is relatively easy to handle and use. The engine and blade of this saw are versatile and therefore suitable for many applications. Number 5. Best for beginners. CRAFTSMAN 7-1/4 inch circular saw. If you are a beginner with woodworking, you will need to find an easy-to-operate circular saw. And we suggest that you buy the CRAFTSMAN 7-1/4 inch circular saw. This saw is not very expensive and is very simple to operate. CRAFTSMAN comes with a high-performance motor of 5,500 RPM, so it can ensure you aggressive and fast cutting. This device is also ideal for beveling cuts since it can cut up to 55 degrees and the detents at 22.5 and 45 degrees. As a result, it is straightforward to use. This circular saw is excellent and comes from a trustworthy brand. It is even suitable for a small workshop and home use. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.